In today's video, I'm going to teach you Get Your Figma Link. If you want to bring a Figma design into FlutterFlow quickly and smoothly, this process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can follow along without confusion. First, open your design in Figma. Make sure you're in the correct file and that the screens or frames you want to import are ready to go. Once your design is open, click the Share button. Here, you'll need to adjust the file access settings so FlutterFlow can read the design properly. Set the access to anyone with the link can view. This is important because if the file stays restricted, the import may not work correctly. After that, copy the link to your Figma file and keep it handy because you'll paste it into FlutterFlow in just a moment. Next, open FlutterFlow in Chrome by going to FlutterFlow.io. Using Chrome can help avoid compatibility issues during sign-in or while connecting your account. Once the site loads, sign into your FlutterFlow account. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create a project first so you have a place to import your design into. You don't need to do anything complicated here, just make sure you're inside the project where you want the imported screens to appear. Now that you're inside your FlutterFlow project, click Add Page. From the available options, choose Import from Figma. This opens the Figma import tool inside FlutterFlow. At this stage, you'll be prompted to connect your Figma account. Click Connect Figma Account, sign in if needed, and allow access when asked. This connection lets FlutterFlow read the design file and convert it into app components. Once your account is connected, paste the Figma link you copied earlier into the import field. FlutterFlow will then load the available frames or screens from that design file. Take a moment to choose the specific screens you want to bring in. This is useful if your Figma file contains multiple pages or extra design drafts and you only want certain parts imported. When you're ready, click Import. After the import finishes, FlutterFlow will automatically turn your design into FlutterFlow widgets. That means your visual layout is transformed into editable app elements you can continue building with inside the platform. From here, you can review the imported pages, clean up anything if needed, and continue developing your app much faster. That's it. You've successfully moved your design from Figma into FlutterFlow.